Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. 3 very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. Use this document to increase your sales using private label rights. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. That's so that you can make online money. So grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the important thing, folks. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to gain $186 today in 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, Tech Magnus is behind the kids' storybooks. And I've promoted their products in the past. They always have sold well. And I suspect this particular product will do the same. In a nutshell, kids' storybooks has unrestricted PLR. And it features a collection of 101 enthralling stories for children with very delightful images. Here's some things you should know. Certainly it has private label rights, and therefore you can retain the 100% profits. You can customize the content, so therefore you can edit and modify and rebrand it in order to meet your own brand identity or target audience. You can create your own ebooks, thus diversifying your income stream by selling them on various platforms such as Amazon, Sellfy, Podium, Shopify, Google Play, and others. You can transform your ebooks into audiobooks, and thus catering to the audiophile audience and capitalizing on the thriving audiobook industry. And you can establish your own membership platform, providing subscribers with access to your premium ebook collection. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this product. It also, as I mentioned, are high-quality kids' storybooks with 101 kids' stories for lucrative sales. I mentioned it has private label rights, and it's ready to produce your own product and ready for trade. It's a product with endless benefits in a thriving niche that's here to stay. Now, this niche is a growing niche. It's one in which it is expected to continue to grow in the future. And you can establish brand authority through consistent delivery of high-quality kids' story books. And you can this product you can surely bring some guaranteed funds by selling it with private label rights. So there's some good advantages for using this particular product. Here's some examples. Lily's Leap of Courage, Max's Lesson in Honesty, The Adventures of Timmy in the Turtle in the Sunshine City. Now this is just a brief sample. There's 101 of these stories. The sales funnel looks like this. It's $9.99 with unrestricted PLR for that first 101 storybooks. There are 5 OTOs ranging from $27 for the first 4 to as lower to $13.99 for OTO 5. Now you could watch for the downsells because you'll save some money, but you'll also get a less product or maybe a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And yes, before I go, make sure you check out that $10,000 monthly opportunity. That's in that first link. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And they'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for listening, folks. Make sure you grab this product, and we'll talk to you again next time. Bye for now.